it differs from other diversified funds in two, three ways. I think one of the most important difference is that we are managing this fund with a blend style rather than a pure growth or value style. And I think just for if you look at this slide, if you look at this slide, you can see the UTI large and mid cap fund, UTI focused fund, and UTI flexi cap fund. The UTI focused fund we are managing with a blend style, while UTI large and mid fund is being managed with a value style, and flexi cap fund is with a growth style. And you can clearly see the difference in the portfolio characteristics. So if you look at the ROC tiers, if you look at the R1 proportion, UTI focused fund has 63% of the portfolio in R1, while the flexi cap fund, which is more of a quality, has 86% in R1, while the large and mid, which is value, has 51. Similarly, if you look at the price to book multiple or the price to equity multiple, focused funds price to book, price to equity is somewhere between a flexi cap and a large and mid, which basically reflects the blend style of the portfolio. I think the other key difference from a positioning point of view, I would say, compared to the other diversified funds, is on the active share. Because it's a concentrated fund with less than 30 stocks, maximum of 30 stocks. As I said, I think the active share of this portfolio will be somewhere closer to 75%. For instance, for example, like I manage the long-term equity fund, which is the tax saver fund, ELSS tax saver fund with a similar investment strategy, but that's not a concentrated portfolio. So the active share in that portfolio is around 66-67% compared to this portfolio where it is 73-74%. So I think the other big difference in the portfolio is that this portfolio will have a very high active share. And lastly, again, what we discussed earlier also, I think in this fund, what we have done more because of the relative valuation comfort, we have currently this fund is more of a large cap oriented fund compared to some of other sector funds which might have slightly different large, mid and small cap exposure.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.